Hey guys, so we are back for another review for today, and today we're going to take a look at cables. So this is really what's interesting with the IEM hobby. Of course, you can customize it and make it your own. So I have reviewed several cables already here in this channel. And of course, my previous favorite is the Yinyoo 8-core, really nice cable. And it's still one of my favorites now, but I have a new favorite, guys, and that is the Faaeal upgrade cable. And that's what we're going to take a look at here in this video. And of course, I'm also going to compare it to the other cables here in this channel. So of course, this is a 4-core copper cable, and right off the bat, this feels really nice. This is one of the best looking cables that I have seen. This is just around $17, but I would say, you know, in terms of the overall build, it punches above its weight. Of course, this is a little bit more expensive compared to your Yinyoo 8-core or also your TRNs, but I would say this is well worth the price that you're paying for. So let's take a look at the build. Of course, you have a fork, you have preformed ear hooks here at this side, and it's a pretty soft preformed ear hooks. Of course, this came from my Faaeal hibiscus, and of course it's already available for you guys to buy. So really soft ear hooks here. And of course, here at this side, it's a pretty thick kind of cable. Feels really good also, and the braiding is a bit thick. You know, this is not your super you know, tight braiding compared to the Yinyoo 8-core. We're gonna compare that in a few. Here at the fork, you have an organizer, of course. So here in the fork as well, you have a big you know, chunky metalish kind of fork with a logo as well. So here at the plug, you have a big plug, a massive plug with some of course support as well. So yes, in terms of the, you know, on the hand and build quality, this feels really good. And of course, I also do like the color that they chose. You know, it's an upscale kind of color. And what I really like about this is this is one of the thickest, you know, cables that I have seen. So definitely it feels weighty and really good in the hand, and you know, just makes your IEM look more sophisticated. Quick comparison, guys. So now with my favorite Yinyoo 8-core, so actually in terms of softness, the Yinyoo is still softer compared to the Faaeal. So actually some people may still, you know, prefer the Yinyoo 8-core cable, but definitely, you know, side by side, the Faaeal is the more thick cable. And also it does feel a little more sturdy in terms of you know, the overall build quality, but actually they're not that far off, to be honest. I still like the Yinyoo 8-core, but definitely, yes, as you guys can see, it's a little bit more thicker in the Faaeal cable. So fork wise, it's a little bit bigger in the Faaeal, so the Yinyoo is a bit smaller. So both of them have some organizer as well. So in the ear hook part, they're not that far off, but I would say in terms of the overall look, I do like, you know, the Faaeal better in terms of the look, but they're not that far off. So actually comparing these two, I would say they're not that far off. Still, there's a lot of value that you're gonna get for the Yinyoo 8-core, but overall I still like the Faaeal more. It's a more substantial cable in the hand, more premium kind of build. So compared to the TRN 8-core cable, the new version, so the 8-core cable is a little bit more rough in terms of the overall build quality. It's a little bit softer as well. So personally, I do like you know, the Yinyoo over the TRN 8-core. It's still no slouch, it's still an 8-core kind of cable. But definitely in terms of the overall look, I still prefer the Faaeal. Also in terms of color, I didn't like, you know, the yellow and black kind of color. But of course, this is just given to me for free, so I'm using it with my TRN BA5 just to be, you know, TRN. But overall, I still like the, you know, the Faaeal upgrade cable. So compared to the Yinyoo 6-core, actually the Yinyoo 6-core is closer to the Faaeal upgrade cable. The Yinyoo 6-core is again a little bit softer compared to your Faaeal upgrade cable, but in terms of the overall, again, build quality and weight in the hand, the Faaeal is definitely better. So I'm using actually the 6-core in my Blonde 03 because what I like about it is you can, of course, do an ear hook style or do a non-ear hook style, an earbud kind of style, because this doesn't have some ear hooks, so it's more versatile in that sense. But of course, yes, I still like, you know, the overall feeling of the Faaeal overall. So as you guys can see in terms of the, you know, cable, the Faaeal is a little bit more thicker as well still, but the 6-core is still pretty good, but I would still give it to the Faaeal cable. Alright, so verdict. So this is now my, you know, top favorite cable. Of course, under $20. You know, it's a little bit more expensive compared to your other counterparts, but if you like, you know, I would say the, you know, best cable under $20 or one of the best cables, this is something that you should consider. Really nice build. Frankly, for me, this is something that you know, you can see in more expensive priced IEMs, more expensive priced cables, and you're getting it for around $17. Also, as I mentioned in my hibiscus review, buy the hibiscus and just get the cable, because I would say it's that nice for me. I was really surprised with the cable, and really nice. Of course, Faaeal made it available for us to buy. So this now my favorite, now the $20 king in terms of cables in general. Faaeal upgrade cable, highly recommended. So that is our review and also check on cables for today. And what cable are you guys using for your IEMs? Let me know down in the comments below. How many of you guys are using the Faaeal upgrade cable? Let me know also down in the comments below. And of course, subscribe for more content like this. We review budget-fi to mid-fi audio gear, so if you're in that, consider subscribing. And of course, also leave a like if you learned something. And of course, I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.